Hi everyone, in this short video I want to show you how you can integrate Zotero with Google Documents to manage your citations in Google Documents if you prefer to use it instead of Microsoft Office or LibreOffice. For that, Zotero must be installed on your computer and you need Zotero connector extension for your web browser. So I am using Google Chrome, so I will install Zotero connector for Chrome. Whatever browser you use, you have to install Zotero connector for that browser. So let me go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Zotero connector and add this extension to your web browser. If you are already using Zotero, chances are that this extension is already added to your web browser. Let me pin this so I can see. Okay, let me go back to Google Documents. Here is the document which I want to manage using Zotero. So you can see there is no option for Zotero. There is no icon. There is no option up top. To add the options, I have to refresh this page because I have added Zotero connector recently. So let me refresh. And after refresh, you can see that there is a Zotero sign up top here and Zotero options here. So let's say I want to add an in-text citation here. So I will move my cursor here and I will press this Z button. I will choose an account. And the search bar will open where I can search my papers in Zotero library. So let me add this paper here. So this in-text citation is added. Similarly, you can add notes which are stored in your Zotero library. For that, go to Zotero, add note, search for your notes. So I have some notes on how to take notes. So let me select these. And you can see all of these notes are added in this document. Finally, I want to add a bibliography. So let's add a bibliography in the end. For that, go to Zotero, add edit bibliography, and the bibliography will be added in the end. You can change the document preferences. For example, the citation styles by going into Zotero, document preferences, and you can select whatever style you want. So let's say Vancouver style, and it will immediately change the citation to your style of preference. So that's all for today. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe.